Hello, my good friends, and welcome to Corrections and Penology. Okay, here's what's going to happen this semester. Let me give you the rundown. You're going to come over here to D2L and you're going to say, I need to do this the easiest possible way. And the best way when you want to go easy with it is just to come over here to Content. You click into Content after you read the news item, of course. And then you come over here and you start down with that week's activities. This week's activities are the batch YouTube, which you're watching now, right here. And then you come over to the syllabus and you'll read that thing. That's what you do first. But you're saying, wait, batch, it says read this first. Well, go ahead and read it first. It's just going to tell you to read the syllabus. There you go. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to read this second. And that is the week overview. And that's a cool thing to do because when you're reading the week overview, you are absolutely going to be informed about what is going on that week and how you should deal with your circumstance whenever you need to. Okay, I know I don't have a lot of time for music today because we got too many topics to talk about, but I just wanted you to feel like you were welcome here. Anyway, so we're going to come over and then we're going to start in on the week's activities. And you're saying, what about read third? You don't need to read that third. You don't need to read it at all. And then you're coming over and you're saying, the week's activity is, the first thing I got to do is pick my paper topic. And so once I do that, that's going to be something that happens over time, maybe the next couple of weeks. But just get into the literature and start thinking about what the paper topic ought to be. I've got a tutorial for you next week that you can get that going on. But just think about something that you'd like to research or maybe look into a little further than you already are. And so this whole thing describes to you how to get your topic sorted out. And then you're going to come over here and do the second thing that we have to do this week, which is introduce yourself. If you've taken the D2L classes before, then you're probably well aware of this, that you need to introduce yourself to everybody in the class. There's parameters, there's courtesies, there's guidelines to do it, and they're all outlined for you in that assignment. So that is going to be the second thing. It's called a discussion. And you'll notice that every assignment that you have this semester is prefaced by a number. So 1 homework was you're doing your homework. 2 discussion is you're doing your discussion, and that's the second thing you have to do, which is not much. And then basically after you pick that topic, you're going to be good to go. So I just wanted to welcome you to the semester and let you know that all is well. And the last thing that I need to inform you about is how to get a hold of me. Call my cell phone. Here is the number right there. It tells you to call it, and when you're calling my cell phone, go ahead and do it because you're thinking, how the heck am I going to bother Batch? No, you're not going to bother me. You're going to call me, and everything's going to be good. So you just give me a call, and all is well on that front. So call me anytime. I'm at your service 24/7. Don't let it get you down. So that's going to be our semester. I mean, that's going to be the first week anyway. So get after it and go for it, and I'll see you when you get back next week, and you'll see me on the YouTube video. By the way, you can work a couple of weeks in advance if you choose to. See you later, y'all. Take it easy.